All right, just gonna get right into it. I am gonna attempt to repair the cluster on this truck. It's a 2003 1500 HD, and as you can see, the trans temp doesn't work, and some of the other ones have messed up, and the bulbs aren't working. Somebody replaced them with some red ones that failed. So, got a $20 China Amazon kit and a soldering iron, and gonna see if I can't make it worse or better. We'll see. We'll just dump right into it. Go down. Pry. Here's just 7mm. Super easy to get to, nothing in the way. Never done this before, so I'm just winging it. So I found the kit that I bought for this. Bulbs, this stupid multicolored. Here's the motors, I guess. Not even sure what this does. I guess you can do the solder and a soldering iron. Some assembly required. Oh, that's... Just slap the bulb in, don't even put it in its little carrier. Shiny. So either this is a DIY special fail, or they paid somebody to do this. Either way, it's kind of terrifying. I guess I'll just have bending up the ears up, and then you just do them down. Get on the wheel. So at least I roughly got it where it's supposed to be in the nearest zip code, unlike this that they just didn't even care. All right, on to the next one. So they just soldered that on. Okay, it's supposed to be, you know, like encased in these little deals there. Sight unseen auction buys. Yeah, simply remove. I'm definitely implementing this new method of just bending these first. Lights. It does look like he's got his arms up on a roller coaster. Again, barely. Okay, so we are done with the lights. Now we need trans temp motor. I guess I'll just hold it and undo these. Okay, just patience is all it took. So there's little holes here, and these only go in one way, for sure. Nice and pretty much flush, just like the other ones. Should we do the rest? Yeah, why not? Don't know if that does anything or not, but it seemed to work on the last one. Got her out. Tachometer installed. Speedo removed. Anything just... So now we have to decide. Let's see, I have 4 more left. Honestly, I might as well just do them all. I'm right here, and I bought the parts. I might as well just do them. It's right here. Even though we've already done one. Someone did one. Oh well, I didn't do it, so we'll continue on with the same method. All right. It does actually do something. So the thing is to pull the solder out. It's funny. Got all those 3 pulled out, and now 3 go back in. All right, we got everything, all new bulbs that I care about. Replaced all the motors, even the one that looked like it had been replaced before. All right, we're going back together. Okay, I guess we reinstall and see what I broke. Oh, we got a little bit of a problem with the fuel gauge there. It's just left the chat. Well, everything else came together except a couple bulbs still don't work, and the fuel gauge is messed up. So, looks like we're coming back out and doing it again. Yes, here we are, torn all the way back apart. So yeah, I'm sure the length of the legs on these LEDs actually matter, because I just so happened to put the rest of these together the right way, except these 2. They didn't work, and then I just flipped them around. Now they work. And the fuel gauge was jacking off because I guess this connection is kind of screwed on the circuit board. I should have just left it alone, but I don't know if it's because somebody was already in there. I just had to glob solder all over the circuit. I don't think it was making a connection, and it was just winding around. So we're gonna go take 2/3/7 and see if it works this time. Sure. Let's check it out. Not bad. Don't worry about that. I think they're a little off, but the rest of it looks really good. Well, we're all set. Overall, I think it turned out pretty great. I think it's going to be nice to have a working transmission temp again. And I guess we'll just have to keep an eye on the fuel level motor and see if that starts acting up again on us. But yeah, just glob some solder on it and it should be fine. So cool. Yeah, overall not bad. Definitely would recommend doing yourself and saving about $200. So good times.